Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who have no earthly idea of who I am, my name is Vanessa. So welcome and nice to meet you. So in this video today, I'm going to be doing a review slash tutorial on a new makeup palette that I got from Juvia. So without further ado, let's get started. So I've already taken the liberty of doing my face. This is the palette, the Magic Mini by Juvia's. The packaging is gorgeous. They always have these beautiful Nubian queens on the front of it. So beautiful. So I'm going to use this color, and this color. So putting that tape on my eyes to catch any fallout and helping with a clean finish. I'm going to go with this tapered eyeshadow brush and I'm going to dip into Eyes. That's what the color is called. And there's some interesting names in this palette. But going in my outer corner and just blending that in. These are very pigmented eyeshadows, by the way. They pick up really easily on the brush. So kind of just blending that in, go into the other eye. Just blending over and over again. Still blending. Making sure that no harsh lines are there. So just going back and forth. Now I'm going to be using this to kind of cleaning up any harsh lines, sweeping back and forth, just to kind of clean up any harshness and to soften the look up. You're going to see me do this a lot in the video. Then I'm going to be using this eyeshadow brush and I'm going to dip inside this pink color called Kogi. I think I'm saying that right. I'm going to dip inside of that. I'm going to put this on my eyelid. So just dipping inside that palette, or I guess in a sense kind of digging the brush a little bit. But this eyeshadow picks up really well. Like you barely can tap the palette and it'll pick up quickly. Gonna go to the other eye. I really love this method with the tape. Like I said, some people even use credit and debit cards. And those work just as fine. I mean, utilize what you have. If I control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. This color actually looks a lot redder in person, but it looks really pink on camera. Okay, next I'm going to go back in with that tapered eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to dip it back into Eyes, and I'm going to just define that dark purple again because I kind of lost it a little bit. It kind of faded with putting that pink on there. So now I'm using a different brush. I'm cleaning it back up. And now I'm using a Kabuki eyeshadow blending brush and kind of going back and forth and just softening up even more. This brush is really soft too. Like it actually feels kind of therapeutic, like on your eyes. I should have used this one in the beginning, but yeah, this is a really good brush. Next, I don't know what kind of brush that is, but I'm going to dip into the color Nubia. It's like this goldenrod yellow, and I'm going to put it in the inner corner of my eyes near my tear duct. And I'm just going to blend it in. Just blending out any harshness. Voila. So just blending away. Now I'm going to take the tape off. And there you have it. Done with the eyeshadow. Now let's go into with eyeliner, my favorite Tartiest Tarte. Again, with me doing eyeliner, I never breathe. I'm just in focus mode. So just doing my signature cat eye. I even mess this up, you guys. Sometimes I even screw up and have to do it all over again. I'm surprised I didn't have to redo it all over again. I'm a perfectionist, so if I mess up on my cat eye, I'll start all over and do it again. But thank goodness, for the sake of this video, I did not screw it up. I'm sorry for the lighting, guys. It keeps going back and forth. I actually filmed this in the daytime, so the sunlight is fighting my ring light. Got one eye done. Now going to the next eye. They have to look identical. Sometimes they don't. Now next I'm going to go with this mascara. I have no idea really what it's called. I think I got it in an Ipsy box. I get Ipsy in the mail. It's like a makeup subscription. And you can pay anywhere from what, $10, $25 or $50, and I always get the $25 one. And it's worth it. You get full makeup products, but this is where I got that mascara from, and I don't remember what it's called. So I'm gonna get back into that same color Ive, and I'm gonna put it underneath my eye, or underneath my eye, as like an eyeliner. By the way, that brush is from BH Cosmetics. It came in like a pack, and I bought it a long time ago. So putting it on the other eye. And next I'm just going to use this blending brush, and I'm going to smoke it out at the bottom to smooth out any harshness. By the way, when you use an eyeshadow as an eyeliner, it will get in your eye. There's a few times that it's gotten inside my eye and I've had to wipe it. So it's kind of annoying. But you can use an eyeshadow as an eyeliner. Voila. Now we're going to do lashes. Using that good old duo lash glue again. My favorite. Now gluing these lashes. Using tweezers to perfect them, or to adjust them, I should say. Now going to the other eye. Always wait until the glue is tacky on your hands, or it's kind of sticky, to put it on. I've tried the magnetic lashes. That shit doesn't work. I spent $15 on that too, and they just don't work. So I just stick to what I know with just glue and eyelashes. It's kind of a pain in the ass sometimes, but it is what it is. Tweezers are the best to adjust your lashes. Yay! All done with that. Now I'm going in with NYX Butter Gloss and Ginger Snap. This is my all-time favorite, and probably I wear this every single day. Absolutely love it. Just gonna open it up and put it on my lips. This is really beautiful, especially on brown skin. But this would look gorgeous on anybody of any skin tone. Oh, and we can't forget highlighter. I almost forgot that. So this is Milani Cosmetics. Gonna open it up, and over here we have our signature eyeshadows, and then you have your highlighters. But for right now, we're just gonna focus only on the highlighters. So I don't know which color. You know what? We're just gonna use both of them because I like both of the colors. So we're gonna dip in with this brush right here. Whoa. blinding. Just the way I like it. I love highlighters that are like blinding and very holographic. This is more pigmented than the Rihanna one that I had in my last video. Look at that. Put a little bit on my nose, then a little bit on my cupid's bow. Spreading it out. And voila, I think we're about done. Hello everybody, thank you so much for yet again watching my video. I really appreciate it. I do apologize for the rushed beginning. I have some more of it I need to be, so that is why I skipped over that part. So this is the completed look. I do like how it has turned out, and my overall reviews for the Juvia's palettes, they are gorgeous, they are beautiful, they are very pigmented, they have a buttery consistency to the eyeshadow, so I definitely will be purchasing them in the future. And with that being said, I hope everybody is having a wonderful day, and I will see you guys on next Saturday. Mwah.